boys and girls. This is the Show What You Know for your Rules and Laws section. So for this Show What You Know, you are going to cut and sort the rules in our classroom and the laws in our community. So these pictures down here are the ones that you're going to sort and figure out, is it a rule in our classroom? If it is, you'll put it in this box. If it's a law in our community, you will put it in this box. This one says wear a seatbelt, walk in the line, hold iPad carefully, respect others, don't steal, be quiet in a library, stop at a stop sign, be kind, make your bed, or do not litter. So decide which one of these pictures is a rule, maybe not always in your classroom, but at home too, or a law in your community. Good luck, and make sure to sign up for feedback so your teacher can check your work.